Saanvi, and
What's coming from your kitchen today, Saanvi?
a Barfi. I don't know which one it is, but it has lots of ingredients.
Tell us more about it.
So how I made the bottom part, because that's the main part, it was I added 3/4 milk, 1/4 sugar, and some unsalted butter. I stirred for a bit and then put it in the microwave. And when it came out, I added 3 cups or 1 cup or 2 cups. It's optional how much you want to make. And then
Cups of what?
cups of milk powder, dried milk powder, so that I could make it. And I stirred well, put it in the microwave for 1 second,
1 minute.
1 minute, and then I got the bottom part ready. Mine was a bit stirry, so I had to wait for a bit to do the top part.
So once it's dried and
So once it was dried and soft,
what's more or less set, basically.
more or less set, I added some.
Melted chocolate?
I added some. What powder is that?
Oh, coconut. Oh, yeah, we forgot about it.
I added
Shredded
some
coconuts. Yeah.
shredded coconut powder.
Yeah.
And then I added
Cardamom powder.
cardamom powder
Yes.
at the top. Cardamom powder goes anywhere. And after that, it dried. So I put a layer of chocolate, melted chocolate on top. Then I took some
Raisins.
raisins and put them on. And now I'm adding some nut mix.
Shredded nuts, yeah?
Shredded nuts.
Which nuts are these?
Pistachio, cashew, almond, walnut.
Wow, okay, nice. Must taste yummy. It looks yummy. So this is a chocolate burfi, Saanvi.
Yeah, a chocolate Barfi, but you might call it something else because I've added more things on top of the chocolate.
Indeed, indeed. Thank you.
Bye.